reminder if your bill is past due? Interested in knowing if your payment posted? Notifications in SmartHub can do exactly that, and you can manage them from your smartphone or tablet. This video shows you how to do it on your iPhone. From the SmartHub home screen, tap the Notifications bar. Here you see two types of messages from your provider. Alerts are information helpful to every customer, such as planned service disruptions or provider promotions. These are controlled entirely by your provider, and you cannot remove them. Notifications offer information specific to your account, such as a missed due date for a bill or a potential outage. The red circled number on the notifications bar indicates the number of unread notifications. Unread notifications are bold. Read notifications are not. You can tap a notification to navigate to the related portion of the app. In this case, tap the Past Due notification to head to the Bill and Pay screen. Back to notifications. Since you tap the notification, it's now been read and no longer appears bolded. The number indicating unread notifications is also reduced by 1. Perhaps you don't want to read the remaining notifications. You can mark them all as read. Tap the menu icon. Tap Mark All Read. And now there are no unread notifications. Want to review them all later? Tap Mark All Unread. And everything is in a fresh, unread state. Since you've seen that notification, want to delete it? Swipe your finger across it. Tap the delete button. And the notification is gone. To clear all notifications at once, tap the menu icon. Then tap Delete All. All of your notifications are cleared, and you are ready for new updates. Here's a recap. Access the notification screen to see alerts and notifications from your provider. Notifications can take you to a related part of the app. You can mark notifications as read or unread. You can also delete one or all. Thanks for watching this SmartHub Smart Clip. You've just seen how to view and delete SmartHub notifications. If you'd like more information on how to take advantage of SmartHub's many capabilities, contact your SmartHub provider.